Alright folks, Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. And I just want to show you this brand new Jeep Sahara. Unlimited means that it has 4 doors and it's a Sahara model, trim level. Wrangler Unlimited, so you see the badging right there. This one has the brand new 2-liter turbo engine on it, 4-cylinder with the stop start. I'll show you the window sticker here. We're going to go around it. 2021 Sarge green, 2 liters. Uconnect 4 seat with navigation and sound group, safety group. Let's have a look around. 9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway and 11 in the city. That averages out to be about 10. So let's take a good look around. Check out the color. Fog lamps in the bumpers. 7 ports in the grill. Let's take a nice look at these rims. DuPont Kevlar tires. Chrome badging. Trail rated. See me in the reflection there. Leather seating. Sahara embroidery. Hard top. 8.4-inch big screen. There's a full life system. 25 kilometers on this one. Cruise control. The steering wheel functions. Front and back. The steering wheel as well. Side. Disconnect the doors right here. New body style Wranglers have lighter doors. This one has a hard top. This one has running boards. All the new body style Wranglers have the backup camera inside right here. Take a look here. JL, the old body style Jeep Wrangler 2018 model is called JK Sports Utility 4x4. There's the 2-door dimensions, 4-door, water footing up to 30 inches at 5 miles per hour. Made in USA, developed in Wrangler Hills, Michigan. Built in Toledo, Ohio. The original SUV since 1941. Trail rail ready. Take a look at the back here. 12-volt. Some extra cargo space. 4 for the windshield. Put your roof bolts there. That's under there. Alpine subwoofer. Nice and easy to take the top off as well. Parking sensors are covered between them. That's right, you can. So, there it is. Come down and look at that. Sarge green Jeep Wrangler. If you have any trades, bring them in. We'll take a look. I'll show you the back seat. There's my business card if you can see in the reflection right there. Dodge City. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook and TikTok, Mark Sugar 306. Lots of room in the back seat. This comes down. Fold the seats down as well if you like. USB connectivity. Plug in the back. Lights up top. Before there used to be 5 things you had to do to get the tops up now. New body style. Don't know what's left to show you on this one. Come on down. Let's have a look. Once again, let's go to the steering. The spare right there. Keyboard, 5 years. This is stock number E517. And it's in stock. You just got it. It's fresh off the truck. Come down and have a look at it. We got lots of stock here. This is 8th Street right here. Jeep Gladiators, Grand Cherokees, Stingray Jeep Wranglers. That's 4x3, so that's hybrid. Classic body style trucks, new body style trucks, Jeep Grand Cherokees, Jeep Grand Cherokee L's. This is one side. This is typically on the new vehicles side. The other side's all used vehicles. Body shops right there. Services here. This is one side. There's another side. If you come in these doors, park here or there, or maybe back behind there. Come in these doors. I'm 2 desks in. Bald head. Watch for me. And hope to see you soon here in Saskatoon, Dodge City, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, doing used vehicles. Talk to you soon. www.marksugardrives.com. Click like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Talk to you soon.